Hey, it's Drudozer the Prophet, and today I wanted to shoot a video of me disassembling and reassembling my Ruger SR 9mm pistol. Ruger developed this pistol, the SR series, in 2010, I believe. The reason they developed this particular pistol is because of its lightweight compactability. It's easy to conceal. It's ideal for law enforcement. It's also it was sold to me actually under the precedence that is a perfect first time gun to own. So if you are thinking about buying your first gun, a lot of people at the gun store are going to tell you that if you're looking for a pistol at least, the Ruger SR 9mm is a perfect starter gun. So today, to start the video, first show you the pistol, and nothing real fancy or special here, just a 9mm pistol. The first thing that I want to do when disassembling this firearm is I want to enable this or disable the safety. Next, I want to drop the magazine out. The way I do that is the button on the side of the trigger, press in, catch the magazine. Next thing I have to do is I have to make sure there's nothing in the chamber. So I'll look in there and show the camera. It's not very bright, but well, you get the point. There's nothing in there. The first step, the next step in disassembling this firearm is locking the slide open. So you do that by pulling back the slide as you normally do, and then you press up and hold on the slide lock. Inside of the chamber itself, I don't know if the camera will pick up on it or not, but there is a little plastic pin thing in there. You want to face that down or forward, whichever you prefer to call it. But anyhow, now that you can see that it's forward, I can begin disassembling this firearm. The safety pin on the side holds the slide, prevents the slide rather from moving forward off the frame of the gun. So what I do to get that off, I'll just use a small pocket knife like this. And here's the pin. And I kind of just pry up under it, just like that. Now, once it's loose, you can see there that it's loose. I can kind of shimmy the knife in there, kind of twist around, loosen it up a little more, then just simply take my fingers and wiggle out. Next thing you want to do, and you want to be careful doing this so you're not hard on the slide or you're not hard on the frame. You want to hold the slide back again, release the lock, and slowly move forward. Now that that's forward and the pin has been removed, you can simply move the slide from the frame. So far I have a frame, I have a slide, and I have a pin. Inside of the slide, as you can see, there is a spring in it that, holds the barrel in place, for lack of a better explanation. My apologies. So next I'm going to remove the spring. Just kind of pull it forward and move up. And there's a spring. Inside the slide, of course, you have the barrel. You can just move up and remove. So let's recap. Frame, magazine, slide, spring, barrel, and pin. Now to put it back together, after you've done it a couple times, it's not as intimidating to do, but if you've never done it before, you might want to practice a few times. But anyhow, the first thing that you do is you want to put the slide back together. Go in reverse order here. Barrel first into the slide, like that. This will hold the slide in place. There's a little, I don't know if the camera can see, but there's a little groove. Yeah, there's a little groove inside there. You can see it's like a half moon shape where the slide fits. You don't want to be too forceful or rough with it. You just want to kind of carefully place it in there. Then, this is the reattachment of the slide to the frame part. And again, you want to take it really easy here. So once the slide is on, you can see. Next thing you want to do is go back to the having the slide all the way back part. So pull the slide back, hold the lock up, let go. Slides on, slides locked. Now, this pen, it's important. Remember the hole? Right here. Okay. Reverse order here, shimmy it back in, flip it shut, and then you just release the slide. There. Final step, put the magazine in, and you're done. I always put the weapon back on safety. My holster, put it back in, strap it in, donezo. Again, this is Drew Does the Profit. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that. Thank you.